We start with a bright G major, then switch to a softer B minor. Back to a sunny C major, but here comes a twist. We finish with an E flat major. These chords lay down the foundation of our song. Next, we spice things up with some cool bass. It adds depth, making the beats and chords feel even more alive. This bass line ties our chords together, giving them a smooth groove. Once we hit the melody, I'll let you in on a secret for crafting it easily. But first, let's add strings, adding a cozy layer that enriches our sound. Now our song gets a soft hug of harmony, emphasized by some nice arpeggio, setting the perfect stage for the melody to come alive. Here comes the melody, the part of the song that sings on top of everything else. But how does it find its way so perfectly? Think of a treasure map with hidden clues. Our chords, bass, and strings are like those clues, leading us to the treasure. But what's the treasure? It's how to make up your own beautiful tunes, almost like magic. Before we find out this secret, let's just listen and enjoy the melody. Notice how it seems to know exactly where to go, like it's following a secret path. Here's the big secret. To make your own melody, just use the notes from our chords and bass. It's like picking colors from a set you already know. Look good together. And for something extra special, you can add in passing notes and extension notes. They're like the secret shortcuts that make your tune even cooler. So the trick to making up your own songs? It's all about using what we already have and then adding your own special touch with some surprise notes. Now it's your turn. Try playing around with the notes from the chords and see what tunes you can come up with. Remember, making music is like putting together a puzzle where you get to decide how it looks in the end. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.